Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Family Link on child's iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser on your mobile device and type Google Family Link. After that, give it a go and a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Now, open the official website from here and tap on Sign In. After that, select your email account and then tap on Invite Family Members. To send the invitation, type your child's email address and then tap on Send. After that, tap on Go to Family Group. As you can see, the family link was created successfully. Once done, you just need to access the link on your child's device and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the procedure. So that's basically how you can set up Google Family Link on child's iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.